Hey there, my name is Nadernejad from Nadernejad Media. We're a full-service digital marketing agency specializing in reputation management, and reputation management is the #1 industry that I specialize in. And I've been extremely immersed in the world of journalism for the past year, focusing not only on business but building my brand and teaching people. And I have online courses. I have over 25. I have thousands of students, over 20,000 students online. And I've been working reputation management for the past few years now. So it's an industry I understand intimately. I've worked with each and every client who's struggled, I've had people who've, trust me, people have had it worse than you. And I don't mean to minimize what's going on, whatever that is with negative media in your life, but I want you to understand you're not alone. And I get it. I understand that if you've scoured the internet, you've probably only seen 4 videos about reputation management. They're all from 2012. Or maybe some are more recent, but they're not exactly relevant. I get what it's like to have negative news articles on the internet that if you destroy your reputation, is difficult, you know? I'm here to help you. I'm here to actually help you with the psychological, first of all, the psychological implications of having negative media and having your brand and your image tainted in the public's eye. Second of all, helping you put together an action plan. And third of all, giving you light at the end of the tunnel. So you know if I go this way, I'm going to have it fixed. This is what I need to do. So that's what this video is for. So tip number one. Tip number one is understand that, hey, okay, this thing happened, but if I bounce back from it, I'm going to be stronger than ever. And as cliche as that is, it is so true. And I'm going to tell you this. If you get the right sort of reputation management, if you get somebody, or if you can do it yourself even, if you can change your reputation from having negative articles, okay? Let's say there's nothing on the internet about you before. You commit an offense, it goes in the media, now there's bad articles about you. So you went from having no online presence to having a terrible one. Now, if we fix this, what we're going to do is craft positive but relevant media about you. And you can do this as well. If you have questions, send me a message. All you do is you reach out to blogs, you reach out to different news sites, which we have as well, and you say, hey, let's start doing some positive media. So now, slowly, your reputation becomes, there's some bad media, there's some positive media. It's a little bit fishy. Like, it's not fishy, but it's like, it's mixed. You're not really sure what conclusions to draw. So you went from no presence to bad presence to kind of in the middle. Now once we start making more progress, what's going to happen? You're going to have 90% positive media and 10% negative media. And what's that going to do? No, it's not going to look like, if it's done properly, it's not going to look like we've just tried to bury it. What it's going to look like, it's going to look like you're famous. I'm not kidding. It's going to look like you built a brand. So there's people trashing you, and there's also people saying you're incredible. But 90% of the articles are saying you're incredible. What this means is, psychologically, you can get behind this now. You can actually understand, hey, my reputation may be bad, but that's not it forever. In fact, I'm going to be incredible. I'm going to use this. I'm going to leverage it. In fact, I guarantee by the time you fix your reputation, you're going to make money from it. So that's the way you should be thinking about it. So let's move on a little bit. I don't want this video to be too long, but that's the psychological aspect of it. What you need to be doing is trying to remove those articles, request removal from Google. You can also request removal from the publisher. So what we will do is we'll actually call up the editor, and with a journalism background, having an honors degree in journalism, I look at it and I say, okay, here's some problems with this article. This is factually incorrect. That's not a verified source. That doesn't make any sense. And I will actually call the editor and be like, hey, there's a few problems with your article, and this is what they are. And because of journalistic integrity, I really think you should fix this, or submit a correction. And then there you go, we're slowly making progress. The last thing is finding out whether you're going to do it or have someone do it for you. So what I recommend you do, I'm going to leave a coupon code. If I forget, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave a coupon code for Remove Negative Google Links course, okay? I want you to go ahead and buy that. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. Watch the trailer, look at the student reviews. It will tell you everything you need to know to remove negative Google links, and also bury negative Google links, and how to get all the articles at a much, much cheaper rate. If you're dealing with a big problem, head on to my website down below, Nadernejad Media. Leave your name, leave your number. A member of my staff or I will call you within the next 24 to 48 hours, and we'll figure it out. Emergency ORM, that's what we're providing here, and I promise you, if you put your mind to it, you can turn your reputation around. I'm Nadernejad. Be sure to subscribe and smash that notification bell. Thank you for watching.